Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Western Union affiliate commissions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your Western Union affiliate commissions, begin by logging into your Western Union account. Navigate to the dashboard where your earnings are displayed. Look for the option labeled Withdraw Funds or Withdraw Earnings. Click on this option to proceed. You will be prompted to select your preferred withdrawal method. Choose the option for bank transfer or cash pickup, depending on your preference. If you select bank transfer, enter your bank account details carefully. Make sure to double-check your account number and routing information for accuracy. If you choose cash pickup, you will need to provide your identification information. After selecting your method, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review any withdrawal fees that may be applicable. Confirm that all information is correct before proceeding. Submit your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation notification regarding your request. Keep an eye on the estimated processing time for your withdrawal. If you chose bank transfer, monitor your bank account for the arrival of funds. If you opted for cash pickup, visit the designated Western Union location with your identification. Collect your cash once it's ready. You have successfully withdrawn your affiliate commissions with Western Union. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.